Hello everybody, my name is Mayank Aragiddi and welcome to this Odoo tutorial. So in today's video, we will explore how the construction industry works in Odoo. In we can see we will see how we can manage leads, sales invoice, sales orders, project timesheets, project maintenance in Odoo. Okay, so let's check it out. Mm, First of all, we go to the apps and install the industry. Okay, so we will go to the apps, click on the industry here, and you can see the construction. This model we install in our database. It will take a few minutes to install. Okay, then we will go to the CRM. We have click the new uh, lead. Okay, Villa home renovation. Okay, so this is your lead and the budget is 500k. Okay, so now you can see CLR. Okay, so we click on this and now you can see this lead at right now new. So after the lead generate, our sales team or operation team will coordinate with the CLR, and once they found that this lead is qualified, this lead opportunity transfer from new to qualified. After the qualified, the next stage is site survey. So team will coordinate with CLR and book the site survey time log. So how we can book? And we can book through activities. So we will go to we will click on the activity button, meeting, and so we will select this time slot and save it. So now the site survey is booked. So our field person or salesperson will visit the CLS premises and take a measurement, and once the site survey is done, they will select they will complete the site survey activity to click on the done. Okay, and the opportunity come from qualified to site survey. Now this time is for quotation. So quotation is creation through CRM button as well as sales module. So we will create from here. We click on the new button, new quotation. Here you can see the this kind of quotation display. Now this is the renovation. So there is a multiple order line of product we have to select, but we already pre-built one quotation template, so we will select the quotation template. Once we select, the all details are filled up. In these details, the product detail, quantity, price, and the total, our terms and conditions, and all things are available. Okay, so once we save this quotation and send it to CLR. Okay, so after the sharing, after the word with CLR confirm this quotation. So once we confirm the quotation, we will confirm the sales order. Once we confirm the sales order, you can see there are three smart buttons are appear. First one is the project and timesheet, project and task. Second one is the recorded hours, and third one is a delivery. Now, uh, let's go with the delivery. So here we can see the all requirement product components are available in our stocks and ready to deliver. Okay, so we validate it. So once we validate it, the material is going from our stock to CLS home. Okay, now time is for task and management, project task and management and planning. So we'll go to the project tab and we search. Yeah, here is our project template, or we can segregate it through sales order. Yeah, okay. So now you can see the CLA home renovation is available. Yeah, select it, and in this project we have 8 tasks. 8 tasks. So now first thing is down payment. As we discussed, as we show, you see in the sales order, in terms and conditions, we have committed for 30% down payment. So we will go to the, we will plan and in progress. Okay. And now we are processing for down payment. That's why this task is in process and going into sales order and create the invoice and take a down payment of 30%. Now once the 30% and we create the draft and see. Okay. Now once we confirm and send it to CLR. So our next payment is 40% at midpoint. Okay. Now back to the project and timesheet. So once we receive the down payment, we close the task. Okay. Now back to the project. So now one task is completed and 7 tasks are remaining. So next is a planification. So planification task is start plan. Here we assign the person, and based on the we create a blueprints, and based on the blueprints we create a plan, complete a plan. Okay, and we change the stages of the task as per our work is going. Okay, and once the task is completed, we select the task stage done and status is done. Okay, so same thing, same way we will done the all tasks. Now one more thing I will show you here in project. This is the taskbar or top menu. Click on the icon. Okay, now these all are smart button appear. Now how we can use smartly? So click on the this dashboard. So once we click on the dashboard, here we can see all the things like 2 out of 8 tasks are completed. Mean our 25% work is done. Only 75 working pending. Time sheets, how many hours, plan hours, sales order, how many sales order items we sold, how many invoices are generated, how many timesheets and planning, all things we can track on single page. Now next thing is timesheet. So here we can see the timesheet, expected timesheet, to invoice timesheet and invoiced. Okay, same thing we can we can measure, or we can review. We can review the timesheet as well as sold materials. Okay, so here we can see the all the materials. Okay, so material total revenue to invoice and to invoiced already. Okay, so so now this thing, based on the all the tasks, we complete the completed tasks one by one and raise the invoice. Okay, so this way Odoo will help us for regulating or reviewing project tasks, sales order at a single page. Okay, so I hope this video is found helpful for you. So if you have any query and concern, please contact us. Thank you.